Have you ever experienced that heavy, swollen feeling in your feet after a long day? This can make even simple activities like climbing stairs feel like a major effort. Swollen feet can significantly impact your daily life and overall well-being. Many people worry that swollen feet might indicate serious issues like liver, kidney, or cardiovascular problems. However, the underlying cause can often be something much more common and easily addressed. This video delves into a potential culprit behind swollen feet and offers simple, effective solutions. These solutions don't involve harsh medications like blood thinners or diuretics, which can come with undesirable side effects. Stay tuned to learn how to improve your foot health and regain that feeling of lightness and confidence in your daily movements. The crucial role of the sodium-potassium pump. Water retention, particularly in the legs and ankles, often stems from the malfunction of tiny pumps within your cells. Millions of these pumps work constantly to regulate fluid movement in and out of your cells. In the case of leg swelling, the sodium-potassium pump is often the key player. This pump is vital for maintaining the correct balance of fluid within your cells. It actively pushes sodium out and pulls potassium in. When this pump functions optimally, it prevents cells from becoming either overloaded with water or excessively dry. However, a deficiency in essential minerals like potassium and magnesium can significantly impair the sodium-potassium pump's effectiveness. When this pump doesn't work correctly, fluid can accumulate outside the cells instead of being retained inside, leading to noticeable swelling. This is akin to a faulty water pump that can't effectively move water into a tank, causing it to overflow. Furthermore, an improperly functioning sodium-potassium pump can disrupt the delicate balance of electrolytes in your body, affecting various bodily functions and potentially leading to fatigue and a general decline in health. The impact of high sugar consumption on swelling. Excessive sugar intake can have far-reaching negative effects on your health, and it can also be a significant contributor to swollen feet. When you consume a large amount of sugar, your body produces a surge of glucose for energy. However, consistently high blood sugar levels can lead to water retention. This occurs because the elevated glucose prompts your body to produce more insulin to facilitate glucose uptake by your cells. Unfortunately, insulin also increases the retention of sodium, and as sodium levels rise, your body holds onto more water. Consequently, you may experience swelling in your legs and other areas. Moreover, high blood sugar can trigger a process called glycation, where glucose molecules bind to proteins in the blood. This impairs the function of these proteins, hindering the efficient transport of oxygen and nutrients to your cells. This can negatively affect circulation and potentially cause numbness or pain in your legs. Additionally, excessive sugar consumption can promote inflammation throughout the body, which not only causes discomfort but also elevates the risk of chronic conditions like diabetes, cardiovascular issues, and kidney problems, making swollen legs an even more serious concern. The power of potassium and magnesium. To effectively address the issue of swollen feet, incorporating specific vitamins and minerals into your diet is crucial. Potassium stands out as a vital mineral for maintaining the body's water balance. As an electrolyte, it plays a key role in regulating fluid levels within cells and supporting the proper function of the sodium-potassium pumps. When the body lacks sufficient potassium, these pumps cannot operate efficiently, leading to fluid retention and swelling. While potassium is essential, obtaining the recommended daily intake of around 4,700 macronutrients can be challenging through diet alone. Instead, focus on incorporating other potassium-rich foods, like avocados, mixed vegetables, and berries such as strawberries and blueberries into your meals. Fruit and vegetable smoothies can also be a convenient way to boost your potassium intake. Remember, adequate potassium intake is not only beneficial for reducing swollen feet, but is also vital for overall health. Alongside potassium, Magnesium is another essential mineral that plays a critical role in numerous bodily functions, including energy production and the regulation of fluid levels within cells. Magnesium is also crucial for the activity of the sodium-potassium pump, which helps maintain overall water balance. A deficiency in magnesium can contribute to muscle cramps, fatigue, and notably, swelling in the legs. Unfortunately, the daily requirement for magnesium, around 420 milligrams for adults, is generally easier to achieve through diet. Excellent sources of magnesium include almonds, cashews, and beans like black beans and red beans. Consider incorporating these nutrient-dense foods into your daily routine to increase your magnesium levels and enjoy their other health benefits. Additionally, high-quality electrolyte powders, free from added sugars, can be a convenient way to supplement both potassium and magnesium. The importance of vitamin B1. While potassium and magnesium are crucial for repairing the sodium-potassium pump, a deficiency in vitamin B1 can be a significant underlying reason for the pump's malfunction. Vitamin B1, also known as thiamine, is an essential vitamin that plays a vital role in converting carbohydrates into energy. When you consume a diet high in carbohydrates and sugar, vitamin B1 is essential for breaking them down into glucose, the body's primary energy source. However, consuming excessive refined carbohydrates without sufficient vitamin B1 can deplete the body's reserves of this vitamin, leading to a deficiency. Consequently, the body's ability to utilize sugar effectively is impaired, potentially causing a buildup of sugar in the blood. Furthermore, vitamin B1 acts as an important antioxidant, helping to protect your nerves. A deficiency in vitamin B1 can contribute to peripheral neuropathy, a condition characterized by tingling, numbness, and a burning sensation, particularly in the feet. Therefore, adequate vitamin B1 intake is crucial for proper carbohydrate metabolism and for protecting the body against the negative effects of sugar, including glycation, where sugars bind to proteins. Vitamin B1 helps prevent this process, safeguarding blood cells and promoting healthy circulation. Good dietary sources of vitamin B1 include pork, legumes, whole grains, and seeds like sunflower seeds. If obtaining sufficient vitamin B1 through diet is challenging, consider a high-quality supplement to support your health. Taking control of swollen feet. In conclusion, understanding the roles of vitamin B1, potassium, and magnesium is key to addressing swollen feet. These essential nutrients support the proper functioning of the sodium-potassium pump and help regulate fluid balance in the body. However, it is equally important to significantly reduce or eliminate refined sugars and excessive carbohydrates from your diet, as these can undermine the benefits of these nutrients and contribute to water retention and inflammation. By focusing on a balanced diet rich in potassium and magnesium, ensuring adequate vitamin B1 intake, and limiting sugar consumption, you can take proactive steps towards improving your foot health and overall well-being. Stay tuned for our next video where we will explore healthy alternatives to carbohydrates. If you found this information helpful, please like and share this video with others who may be experiencing similar issues. Feel free to leave any questions or experiences in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe for more valuable health tips. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in the next video below, and don't forget to subscribe for more valuable health tips. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in the next video.